Let's begin with the little meatballs. I'm removing the sausage skin, squashing it with a knife, and mincing it roughly. I'll place it all in a bowl. I'm adding the minced meat, the eggs, the fresh breadcrumbs that I just made, the Parmesan cheese, a pinch of nutmeg, some chopped parsley, the salt, and finally the pepper. All ready to be mixed with your hands. Let's form the meatballs by taking a portion of about 10 grams, more or less the same size as this. And let's make a start on the sautéed vegetables for the sauce. A clove of garlic, some chopped onion, just a few minutes to brown, and then I'll pour in the tomato puree. Let's season with salt and pepper. I'll cover it with the lid and leave it to cook for half an hour. The sauce is ready, I'll take the garlic out, and then I'll throw the little meatballs in. We'll mix it really carefully, and our little meatballs will cook for a further 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's hard boil the eggs. I'll put them into cold water. And then, when the water starts to boil, I'll wait for 8 to 10 minutes. When the eggs are ready and I have allowed them to cool, I can shell them and cut them into circles. I'll roughly tear a little basil to add flavor and color. One last stir, and we'll leave it to cook for a further 5 minutes. The water is boiling, so I can put the pasta on. The pasta is al dente, so I'll drain it into a nice dish. I add the meatballs and sauce as well, and mix everything. I'm adding a couple of tablespoons of bechamel sauce to the bottom of the pan. I kept it running. Let's carry on and make one first layer of pasta, half the sliced hard-boiled eggs, half the provola that I've already cubed, a sprinkling of grated Parmesan cheese, and some more bechamel sauce. Finally, all the rest of the pasta, the eggs, the scamorza cheese, and the bechamel sauce. And finally, the grated Parmesan cheese. We'll take our pasta to bake in the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Then, for another 5 minutes under the grill at 240 degrees. And after 5 minutes rest, here it is. It's ready to be served. The only thing left is to find out if it's good. It's really good.